respect for FC Club, but we never feared them. We knew that if we were at our best, we could win the game. And that'll be the same tomorrow. I get nothing but the utmost respect for ATK, the quality players they have. You see Krishna here, Williams, young Prabir Das, wonderful players, you know, they're fantastic players and an outstanding coach. But we know when we're at our very best, we can cause anybody problems. We don't want to come this far just to stop now. We obviously want to try and see that through against very dangerous opponents. A wonderful coach, but it's a game that we're looking forward to. And it's been an exciting season, and we want to make sure that we finish it off on a high.
This is a special match, but for us, as like a professional, it's one match more. Because in 90 minutes against the opponent, maybe more minutes, we need the duty to dispute, to compete for winning. Because this is the idea, but it's also the idea to unite. For us, like professional, is one match more. We have to understand that it's the final. No? You have a different component to one match for 3 points. It's different because it's yes or no. This is the component special have a final.